You might be wondering, how do you exactly stop Outlook here for asking your password every time you open up the app? Well, what we need to do here is you want to open up Outlook here and you want to go and click on the fall option at the top left of your screen. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to go to info and you want to go to account settings and just click on account settings. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to see the account settings pop up. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and choose the change option here and make sure to select the email that you want to basically not ask for the password for. But let's go and click on change here once you've selected that, and in here you will be able to see the option here for your account. What you want to do is you want to go and click on more settings, as you can see at the bottom right here, and once you press on it, you should be able to see this pop up here. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you disable the option here that says always prompt for login credentials. Once you've disabled that, you can go and save your changes here or close this one and basically restart your Outlook here and see if that actually works. And that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.